हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अवर डीएस इंग्लिश कोचिंग क्लासेस। आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 10th फर्स्ट फ्लाइट चैप्टर नंबर 7 ग्लाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया। तो आइए करते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर की शुरुआत। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट आर द इल्डर्स इन गोवा नॉस्टैल्जिक अबाउट। आंसर है, द इल्डर्स इन गोवा वर नॉस्टैल्जिक अबाउट द गुड ओल्ड पोर्टुगेस डेज, द पोर्टुगेस एंड देयर famous loves of bread. Next question है, in bread making still popular in Goa. How do you know? Answer, yes, making is still popular in Goa. The author has described about the existence of time old furnaces and their still burning fire. The Goan society is still having molders, bread mixers and bakers. Next question है, what is the baker called? Answer, the baker is called a pedder. Next question, when would the baker come every day? Why did the children run to meet him? Answer कुछ इस प्रकार है, the baker would come twice every day. Once when he set out in the morning on his sailing round, and then again when he turned after emptying his hug basket. The children ran to meet him not because of their love of the loaf, but because they actually longed to the bread bangles, which sometimes was a sweet bread of special make. Next question है, question number 4, where were the monthly accounts of the baker recorded? Answer, the monthly accounts of the baker were recorded on some wall in pencil. Next question, what does a jackfruit like appearance mean? Answer, a jackfruit like appearance means a plump physique. Such a physique was linked to the bakers because they never starved. Baking was apparently a profitable profession. The baker, his family, and his servant always looked happy and prosperous and had a jackfruit like appearance. Next question है, which of these statements are correct? यहाँ ऑब्जेक्टिव है तो इसको हम बाद में देखेंगे। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है इसका, इज ब्रेड एन इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ गोवान लाइफ। यहाँ पर गोवा को ही बोला गया है, उनके लाइफ स्टाइल को ही बोला गया है। हाउ डू यू नो दिस? आंसर, ब्रेड इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ गोवान लाइफ. Marriage gifts are meaningless without the sweetbread, known as the bowl. Well, for a party, bread is a just while for Christmas. Cakes and bowlings are as much. Sandwiches must be prepared by the lady of the house on her daughter's engagement. The author says that everybody loves the fragrance of loves. The elders were gives loaves and the children were gives bread bangles, which they longed for. Also, the fact that bakery is a profitable profession shows that the love for bread is enormous in Goa. Next question. Where is Korj? यह थिंक इट आउट द टेक्स्ट के क्वेश्चन है, ये हम बाद में देखेंगे, पहले इसी क्वेश्चन को देखेंगे। होप आप सभी को यहाँ क्वेश्चन आंसर समझ में आएंगे और आप अपनी कॉपी में लिखेंगे और आने वाली एग्जाम की तैयारी करेंगे। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।